How to recover and repair corrupted Excel files. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can do that. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is if I just go to the start menu and search for Excel. Once you've opened this one, all you have to do is if it says it's corrupted, go to Files, then go to Open. Now select the file that you want to open. So let's say if I want to open this one right here, I'll just right click on it. And then from here, you're going to have to select your file. So let me go to downloads. I have this right here. So let me just go ahead and right click on this. And from here, click on the drop down. Now you can choose the file, go to tools, and under the open, you have the drop down. Now click on open and repair. So click on repair and it's going to repair all of your file and you should be good to go. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.